Alright guys, my name is Alberto, aka Destroyer 48, aka Subscribe for Food, aka I have a trillion channels, aka I'm the ghost with the most. Doesn't make sense, but sounds pretty good. Alright, today if you are here for me to be unboxing what it's called, here it is. The Stridor Heroic Armored Horse. You are in the right place. I'm going to be unboxing this. So don't forget guys to subscribe, like, and share if you like my videos. Only if you like my videos, why subscribe if you don't like them, right? So I want to be unboxing this. Yeah guys, I really need subscribers. I only got 32 subscribers. If you could help me out, I really appreciate it. So subscribe, like, and share if you like my videos. So I missed you guys and I'm back, and let's go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy, this beautiful Stridor here, Heroic Armored Warhorse. Let's go over the box first. As you can see, the box, there's He-Man on top of the Stridor horse. There's one of his friends, some arm guy. There's Skeletor on this thing. I have that one. There's an eagle here. I think I have the eagle. There's some monster on the side. That looks pretty cool, right? And then on this side, He-Man's boxes are here's another one. They are well known for having really good art on the boxes. I usually like to keep the boxes. There's Castle Grayskull. What else is there? What's up there? I don't know. There's something shooting up there. There's Stridor again with He-Man on it with a sword. And there's the eagle. Here we got He-Man, Stridor, Skeletor, Jiu-Jitsu, Stratos, Buzz-Off, Sorceress. There's he's gonna have a stand. I forgot about that. Stridor's gonna have a stand, and he's gonna have a mask. And I guess it says you can place it if here if you on Castle Grayskull. I believe that's Castle Grayskull. Interesting enough, this dude right here, I was hoping, I can get his name in the back. He is not there. I've noticed that. Okay. But man, that's beautiful artwork, man. One more time. There's He-Man in the back. Oh, that's I wanted to check this out what it was, but it's a volcano, and then I think that's one of Sorcerer's birds. Castle Grayskull. Okay, let's start. I'm sorry. Let's start with the unveiling of the box. Let's start opening this bad boy. When you open box, if you purchase this toy, whatever, I think they may still be selling at Walmart, but at my Walmart they're starting to sell He-Man toys. So oh well. I think you buy stuff online. I hope the He-Man will come back, but you never know. I don't know. Probably not, but we'll see. You gotta have scissors to open these boxes. You can't open them without the scissors, but it's easier with scissors. Which side shall I do? Let's see. I think I'm gonna do this side. So I'm gonna get my scissors, and sometimes this is hard. I'm gonna attempt to cut this side. Please not be so hard, because then I look bad. I don't know, you can see better this way. Now it's gonna be tight. So let me see if I can budge it a little bit. There we go. Well, it's not coming out yet, but I got an opening in. Let's get the scissors. Should be able to do it. I got some of it. There's a part I'm trying to open right here. I think I may have got it. I got one side open. See that? So if you purchase this toy, I'm showing you how to open it quicker. Alright. Always have scissors and stuff, because sometimes the stuff is hard to take out of the box. Now, so now usually with these toys you're going to pull it out. Right here, like that. That's the way it looks. Pulling it out. Wait a minute, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna unbox it. No, no way, because I wanted to have the display in the box. Bam! I have another one, so I can open it. So now I have two of them in the box. Actually, I have three. All right, so let's continue to open it. Yeah, I get to have two. I get to have the one in the box for display, and I get to open one up. Open this one up, and I have another one too. You know what? Because I'm rich. I'm just kidding. I'm really poor. I should be, instead of buying toys, I should be, what do you call it? Spending on bills and food. But oh well, we gotta get toys. All right, so let's go back, take it out. Take this out. Sometimes I like to keep the boxes, but sometimes I'll have a hard time opening it. I'm human. Sometimes I make mistakes, and I'll just have to throw the whole box away. All right. So now we have this. This is what it looks like. Taking it out of the box. Now we get our Mr. Friendly Trusty Scissors here. There's right here a tight rope. Let's cut that. And I'm hoping it's not gonna be that hard to open. Usually He-Man toys are not that hard to open. There's other toys that are usually hard. Wow, there's something over here. Okay. Well, let's go through this real quick. You got the horse, you got his helmet, you got these guns over here. There's something right there. I don't know what that is. That might be for the display. There's a display right here for the Stridor horse to be on. And for right now, that's all I see. He has a gun in the back. There's his tail. There's his robot legs. You're going to put a figure in here, like a He-Man or another good guy here. Wow, he already has a helmet on, so you can switch you can switch helmets. All right, let's take out let's try to take out the bad boy. There's strings down here, plastic strings, whatever you want to call them. Cut that. You want to air all the strings you want to cut, so you can unveil them. Okay. There. No. This is probably going to be hard. What is keeping them in there? He is attached to something. I'm probably going to have to open this box. Okay, let's see. I think this may be coming off. Hopefully I don't break anything. Okay, we got the stand. Take that out. And it looks like he's stuck in the middle, and I might have to cut the back part to see what's going on here. I might have to tear the box. So this doesn't matter, the box here. See if I can take out the guns. Okay, I may be able to take out the mask. Let's take out what we can first. Cut this over here. There's a wire back here. See it? And this is hard for you guys. Ask your parents to help you. See, the helmet came off. There, we got the helmet. I'll put it here on the stand. I found it. It's right here in the back. Let's find one. Let's see if it'll come out with this one. See, if you buy this, I'm helping you show you how to open this. See this video, you open your Stridor horse faster. It is tied here. Looks like that mouth might open. Found another wire right here. Let's see. Under that mouth, he had another wire. He's almost coming out. Now, something's keeping him on this side. Great. I found another wire right here. Let's see, he'll come out with this. Let me see. No, that's not a wire. I think he can come out. I don't know what's... There might be another wire I cannot see. Found it. The wire is down here. You see that? He'll probably come out with this. So, You see, sometimes these are hard to open. Although I haven't had that much problem with He-Man toys, but this one I kind of am. I need to find the wires. So, cut it. And now he's out. He's almost out. There was a wire under this thing. I don't have to cut it, just take it out. Probably will slip out. Come on, buddy. He's out. Let me see if I can do it like this. So you see the Stridor horse over here, right? You can see most of them. We got the helmet, and we got his landing thing right here. Okay, so let's take out these other bad babies. Still got the fence. There's like a, I don't know, some kind of fence right here. He came out awesome. And I kind of don't see any directions. Here's the reins right here. Will it come out? It may not, because I think there's a wire back there. There is a wire. These guns, will you come out, baby? One gun came out. Let's put it right here. I should be able to take out the other one. I take out the other guns right here. I'm sorry this is hard to take out, but it is. I could have practiced on one, but I didn't want to. I want to keep the other one in display, like I said. There's a plastic thing right there. We're gonna see what it is. You can't see it from this angle. Probably let me cut it out. So this is the veiling of the Stridor. Cut it. It should be able to come out. I think this will be the stand to this green thing right here. Right, this is it. I don't even know, to tell you the truth. I'll probably have to look at this. Now this bad boy looks like it's gonna be the hardest part to take out. The horse was hard. Now this, the reins. Trying to look for an opening where I could cut it. Get the scissors. And this is not gonna be so easy. Almost got it that time. Okay. You see, now we're learning that this is not so easy to take out. Like I say, if you're a younger kid and you need help, go ask your parents to help you out. Whoa, I forgot something else here. So here's the reins to the horse. And I forgot, I didn't even see this. There's some blue things right there. I don't even know what they are. Can you see that? There's 3 blue things right here. Hopefully I can take it out. Do not tell me they're gonna have strings on it too. Come on, buddy, come out. Whew, it is a struggle to do this, kids. So you got them, here we go. I'm not gonna rate taking out how it is to take out stuff from a box, man, because it's kind of lame. You really... I gotta use like all my strength to take it. There's another one. Look, this is what it looks like. I'm sorry this is so hard, but I told you I was gonna open the box. I did not know how hard it was gonna be. Ow, that hurt. This one is really hard, or either I'm getting very tired. Go Alberto, go Destroyer. Almost. Finally got it out. Man, it hurt my hands. What are these things? Okay. It's really odd that I do it like this. We're gonna look at the box and see what's up. Let's see. Maybe we should go with the easiest parts. We got the stand right, the platform with the fence right here. So let's do that. Here it is. Let's put that in there. Hopefully it'll go in. Let me try the other way. There's already a little fence right here. That went in. We can, let's change the helmet. Take out the helmet. I like this toy, it looks pretty cool. I like the Stridor. So, I guess it would go like this. There you go. There's for the two little holes for the ears. See those holes right there? They're for the ears. Wow, look. The head horse moves up and down. I like that very much. So we're gonna put this helmet in the side because it came with it. You already saw what it looked like. Put it away for a while. Let's see what we have here. There's the stand. Okay, now I see it. That's the stand right there. It's this thing right here. Okay. Now, so it's saying this part goes on the bottom. So it's gonna go here. And hopefully I do this right. So I'm just gonna try to place it in there. There we got the stand, right? I don't know exactly where it goes, but we will see. Now what else do we have? Wow, now I see what they are. Now I found out what these are. But let's do the guns first. Well, actually, maybe, yeah, let's do the guns first. Where does he have guns? He has guns right here. They're in the front and one in the back. There might be another one on the other side because I see 3 guns. There's already one on his butt. We have the gun in the butt, moves around, really cool. Someone's behind him and pew, pew, pew. Hey, move your tail out of the way. You may get shoot your own butt tail. Butt tail. I know there's Star Wars aircraft that they can shoot from the back with a guy. I love when vehicles have guns in the back. So now let's see. It's very balanced. Let's see these guns where they're gonna go. Let's get one. I think they're gonna go on the side right here. So here's a little pick right here. Let's try it. Please go in easily. Hopefully. Sometimes parts don't fit all the time. Or maybe it's on the other side. Okay, I think it's the other side. This look like it's not going to be very easy. Get in there, buddy. Let me try the other one. There's 2 picks. You gotta use this one right here, the bigger side. That one's the one that fits better. Or it's supposed to be fitting. Come on, don't give me problems. Don't make me look bad. and it's making me look bad because it's very hard. This assembly is not the easiest I've ever done. I'm twisting it in to go in. Okay, it's kind of hard. Let's skip it. Let's go to the rings. So, yep, I knew it. Okay, the rings right here. Let's see. They're supposed to go inside. This is gonna thing. You put the thing in the mouth, the rings. It should be able to go inside. No, they're not gonna go together. So open the mouth and close it, and those are the rings. I wish this thing would go together, but it looks like it doesn't go together. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let him trip over his own feet. They don't go in these holes right here. Oh, just twist it, leave it around the head for right now. Okay, and that's what they would hold on to. I guess, I don't know. It is the last part, and this is the hardest part, man. The guns just do not want to go in. Maybe I gotta keep twisting it to go in. Yes, there is a God. You have to push it in really hard. It fell. You have to probably be really strong to do this, man. Why don't they make these things easier? Try just twisting it in. Well, anyways, it's supposed to look like this, the gun. It is very hard to put into to assemble. Come on, buddy, go inside. I got it. I don't even want to move it because I'm afraid it'll... Okay, finally, guys. See if I can get the last one on this side. No. I'm gonna go full strength. Oh, this is a pain. These guns are being a big pain, and there's nowhere else to put them. Okay, we got one. Now it's gonna be hard to get leverage because I have to be careful not to knock the other one down. You have to really twist it in there. Come on, buddy, please. Oh my goodness. Come on, get in there. Oh, it's hurting my fingers. This is really hard. Come on, you gun, you're making me look bad. Okay. Oh gosh, I almost had it. I'm gonna try going slowly. Okay, I got it. Pretend he's shooting something up there. These things go in here. Might fall off. Let me hold it. It might fall with this thing. Doesn't like it's shooting up. Oh my goodness. Shooting. Oh my gosh. It is very stressful. Oh, the gun is still there. So, if you're gonna put these things on, try it like this, or try Perny help you. Hold it down and put it in. Might bring it down. Let me try it like this. Get this, and then put it in here. Try it like that. Either way, it's gonna fall. You gotta keep twisting it again. Finally. Okay, the last one goes in here. This one should be easier. Like it's shooting rockets. There we go. Okay, sorry for that. It took a while. Now let's just skip the thing. He-Man has a sword and an axe and a shield. Let's put him inside. I'm putting him inside. Put his legs in. And there you got He-Man. Can we move his axe a little bit so you can see him better? Hopefully I don't drop it. Not so easy, guys. Not so easy. I probably lost viewers from messing around with this stuff. Come on, man. There we go. God. Why is it falling? Oh, because his hand. If his shield falls out, that's fine. So here we got He-Man. Stridor. Okay. So we got it. It's cool. The legs can be adjusted. You adjust them. And I'll give you a surprise since let's get Panther and Skeletor. Oh yes, I'm gonna fight. Put this to the side. He-Man versus Skeletor. Skeletor's up for the count. And Skeletor runs away. Okay. Now let's put him on the stand. And this will be the last part. So we got the stand right here. And let's see if there's an opening in the bottom and put Stridor in. Oh, I forgot to put a shield on. There we go. Do not fall, shield. Do not fall. Let's see. Is there an opening in the bottom? Yes, there is. There's an opening right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a little circle right there. And let's see if it will go in. Wow, this thing goes up and down. It's supposed to be, the hind legs are supposed to be up. Look, it moves. It's like a carousel. I don't know what would happen to the fence. It would probably fall if it didn't have the fence. He's supposed to be on its hind legs like that. You probably have to put him in. There we go. How does that look? Isn't that awesome? I'll show you closer. And you put him right here. That looks freaking good. I'm sorry I struggled with it, man. I would give it F on this thing, only for assemble. But it's really cool to play with. You can do it like this, and you can take it off. Let's see if it's easy to take it off or hard. It's actually easy to take it off, and you can play with him. Bring the legs down. It's very balanced. I give it an A for balance. I'm not a fan of how they sit him down. See, that is such a pain in the butt. He's not actually sitting down, he's standing up. I don't know. Okay, that looks better. So I've already taken enough of your time. The reins. There's leave it like that. But it's really cool. All right, let's get going. I still want to do my look. He stands on his tippy toes. That is freaking awesome. All right, I'm gonna grade this toy and I might break it down. Assembly, I give it an F. It was really hard for me to do. I probably lost viewers doing this. Too long to assemble. I'm very sorry. I apologize. The guns were really hard. These things were hard to take out of the package. I took them out. The stand, I give this stand an A. I give it an A for the horse getting on. I give it an A for the balance. Altogether, I will give it an A plus because it's just so good. I mean, you just need help with the assembly. If you put in the guns correctly, they might stay and they may not come off easily. I don't know. I haven't played with it. Or I don't play with toys. I test them. This the balance. I give an A. The guns. I give an A. Putting He-Man in, I guess it's okay. Well, it's a shield. I'm not gonna take off for that. Give it an A plus. The whole toy, I give it an A plus. The helmet's really cool. It has two helmets. It comes with one, and then he has another helmet. And let me put on here for display. Two things. That I give an A. We connected look, and it's not so hard to take off. Just the freaking shield, man. If you have another action figure, it might be easy. This shield, I'll probably have to. This is the first time I do this, so. All right. Cool. Let me put it closer so you can see. The review went a long time. It was hard to assemble. I'm sorry. I lost viewers. I lost some of y'all's attention. But I give it an A plus, and so I'm gonna go to end the video. Again, A plus. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you went through all this stuff that I had to go through to assemble. It was really hard, and so I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I'm gonna do this. The world will never be a perfect place, but we can all make it better. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I will see you guys on the next one. From Alberto, aka Stridor 48. I'm out, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.